The Nikon AFS 200 to 500mm lens stands out as a formidable choice for sports photography enthusiasts. Renowned for its impressive zoom range and sharp image quality, it has earned a solid reputation among photographers who demand precision and reliability. This lens is designed to capture fast-paced action, ensuring you never miss a crucial moment on the field or court. Its robust build and responsive autofocus make it a trusted companion for those seeking to document dynamic, high-energy scenes. The Nikon AFS 200 to 500mm lens offers a remarkable range of focal lengths, making it an excellent choice for photographing sports from afar. Its ability to zoom in on distant subjects ensures that every moment of action is captured with impressive detail. The lens's flexibility allows photographers to quickly adapt to changing scenes, whether tracking fast-moving athletes or focusing on a single player. This versatility makes it a valuable tool for anyone aiming to achieve sharp, dynamic images in challenging environments. Advanced extra-low dispersion glass elements play a crucial role in modern optics by significantly reducing chromatic aberration. This specialized glass helps to align different wavelengths of light more precisely, preventing color fringing around the edges of subjects. As a result, images remain sharp and vibrant, even when capturing scenes from a considerable distance. The clarity and accuracy provided by these elements make them essential for photographers and observers who demand the highest image quality. Modern cameras are equipped with advanced vibration reduction technology, designed to minimize the effects of camera shake. This feature is especially crucial when capturing fast-paced sports events, where handheld shooting is often necessary. By compensating for small, involuntary movements, the technology ensures that images remain sharp and stable. As a result, photographers can achieve clear, crisp shots even in challenging, action-filled environments. This innovation allows for greater flexibility and confidence when documenting dynamic moments. The advanced autofocus system stands out for its remarkable speed and precision, especially when tracking moving subjects. This technology allows photographers to maintain sharp focus, even as their subjects shift rapidly across the frame. By reliably locking onto action in real time, it empowers users to capture fleeting moments that might otherwise be missed. Whether photographing sports, wildlife, or everyday life, this autofocus system ensures each shot is crisp and clear. The lens features a robust, weather-sealed construction, engineered to perform reliably even in the most demanding environments. Its durable build protects against dust, moisture, and sudden temperature changes, making it an ideal choice for outdoor photography. Whether you're shooting in rain, snow, or dusty conditions, the lens is designed to maintain optimal performance. This level of protection ensures that photographers can focus on capturing the moment, confident in the lens's ability to withstand the elements. The Nikon AFS 200 to 500mm lens stands out as a vital asset for both seasoned professionals and those new to sports photography. Its impressive zoom range allows photographers to capture distant action with remarkable clarity, ensuring that every pivotal moment is preserved in sharp detail. The lens's fast autofocus and image stabilization features make it easier to track fast-moving subjects, even in challenging lighting conditions. By enabling photographers to get closer to the heart of the action, this lens transforms the way sports are documented, elevating the quality and impact of every shot.